Hey y'all, welcome back to Susie's Sweet Treats. Today we're going to be making brownies, some good rich fudgy brownies. Alright, so the first step to making our fudgy brownies is to take 2 sticks of butter and get it melted and then let it cool. So we'll put that in our bowl. And then we're also going to take our sugar, which is 2 cups worth of sugar, and our vanilla. And we're going to whisk all of these ingredients together. Alright, so once everything, the butter, the sugar, and the vanilla are whisked together, we're going to whisk in our eggs, and it's 4 large eggs. Okay, so now once the eggs are whisked in to the butter, the sugar, and the vanilla, we're going to add the dry ingredients. So it's 1 cup of flour, it's a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and it's 1 cup of cocoa powder. We're going to stir this together. Okay, so once all of the ingredients are combined, you're going to fold in your chocolate chips. You can use any type of chocolate chips that you desire. Today we're using a triple mix chocolate chip, so it's got white chocolate, semi-sweet and dark chocolate, and also some caramel chocolate chips in there. And that's 3 cups total. And you're just going to fold those in. So once it's all mixed together and the chips are folded in, you're going to take a 9x13 pan and you're going to grease it so that the brownies will come out. And you're going to just add the brownie mixture into it. And of course, the brownie mixture is very thick. And that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, now once it's in the pan, it's going to go into a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. But once it's done, we'll come back and let you know how long it took. Okay, so the brownies are finally finished. And it took about 45 minutes to bake in my oven and in the glass dish. So with all my research, it shows that if you bake your brownies in a metal pan, they actually cook faster. So we'll let these cool for about 30 minutes and then we'll slice into them and we can try them. Alright, so there's the fudgy brownie fresh out of the pan.